Hey science fans, ever touched a doorknob after shuffling your feet and gotten a little zap? That's static electricity in action. Today we're diving into the secret life of electric charge, how objects get charged and what those tiny electrons have to do with it. Let's start with the most fun way to make static, charging by rubbing or friction. Everything around you is made of atoms, and those atoms have tiny, negatively charged particles called electrons. Normally, an object is neutral because it has the same number of positive protons and negative electrons. But when you rub two different materials together, like a wool sweater and a balloon, the friction acts like an electron thief. It rips electrons right off one material and transfers them to the other. This is the key role of electron transfer. The object that gains electrons, like our balloon, becomes negatively charged. The object that loses electrons, like the wool, becomes positively charged. Since opposite charges attract and like charges repel, this charged balloon will now stick to a neutral wall. Fun, right? Step 1. Bring the charger close. You bring our charged balloon near a neutral object. Let's use a metal sphere. Since the object is negative, its powerful repulsive force pushes all the sphere's mobile electrons to the opposite side of the sphere. This creates a temporary chain of separation. Step 2. While the balloon is still holding the negative charges at bay, you connect the sphere to the ground, like touching it with your finger. The excess electrons repelled by the balloon take the chance to escape into the earth. Step 3. Remove the ground. We remove the finger or ground connection while the balloon is still there. The sphere is now missing electrons, so it has a net positive charge. Step 4. Remove the charger. Finally, we remove the balloon. What's left? The sphere is now permanently charged. It's positive, the opposite charge of our original negative balloon. So, charging by rubbing involves direct contact and electron transfer. Charging by induction involves no contact with the charger, only ground contact, and results in a final charge opposite to the charger. Static electricity isn't just a party trick, it's what causes lightning, and it's even used in things like air purifiers and photocopiers. Now you know the science behind the zap. Go ahead and try rubbing a balloon on your hair and tell us what happens in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.